Bro, do you need to have your video on?
I know, I'm filming it right. Today we're gonna be using big bluegill to get some big bait. Let's get it. Send her out there. Line is going right now like crazy. Let's get him. Yep, here we go, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Yeah! Shoot. Well. Reel broke.
CreekBro, do you need to have your video on?
I know, I'm filming it right now. This is probably my PB.
Holy!
Boys.
Wow, Chief. Do you need a photo?
Monster bass.
Yeah. Okay. Photo.
God. Look at that bass, boys.
Where'd you get it on?
I had a massive perch on it, and since we didn't have a scale to weigh, this was with the fish with me, and this is me without the fish, and it was a solid 6-pound bass. Sadly, not my PB though, but fish is a fish. If y'all thought that was cool, please like and subscribe. It goes a long way, and I'll see y'all next time. Peace.